Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be swapping out this stock Baffle thing with a Baffle deleter. Let's just hop into it. It is an 8, yes. I'm going to just gonna take forever, huh? Weep, weep, weep. Bring it all up close if you want. This is all gonna get muted on YouTube. Ready? Yep. I don't think we need to do anything else around this. I think we just throw the rest of the stuff on. So find wherever you put it. You know what we should do? Because those are kind of crusty in there. So I'm gonna get one started and then I'm gonna hit the rest with anti-seize and then I'm gonna pull this one out and then go from there. So since this has slots in it, I'm just gonna put in this wee and then go like this. And that's pretty crusty in there. So I'm just gonna hold that like there. Grab the anti-seize now. Conveniently right there. A dab will do you and a glob will screw you. Oops. Oh, awful camera shot on the GoPro. Sorry guys. I'm gonna take this one out now. Just a little bit. And then since I couldn't see on that side, I went in reverse at first just to make sure that I could feel the bolt like drop into its threads, and then I went forward. That's how you make sure you don't cross thread. At some point I'm going to be taking this exhaust off and I'm going to be painting it again, then wrapping the pipe with some sort of heat wrap or whatever, like exhaust pipe wrap, just because the pipe's burnt my legs a couple times and I was not a fan of that. Alright, don't kick over the open anti-seize on the floor. And put the last thing in. Oh, for everyone that thought that I was going to get the anti-seize somewhere that I didn't want to get it on, I got it on the exhaust thing. There we go. Cute. That looks a lot better.